I promise when we step out, you'll be famous. Modern day Bonnie and Clyde, what they named us. Cause when we pull up, all angles.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one.
Hello guys, I've never done deep fried corn dogs, so it's something that I'm trying. Let me show you.
When I go back Monday,
Yeah, see?
and he gonna see if it had a salt any kind of infection in it, get it something here.
It's in the oven. Deep fried corn dogs. I hope they taste as good as they look. They eat fries. Yep, we like grease. We like fried stuff and grease. So that's why I'm doing it. To try something different. They look good, see? Hopefully they taste as good as they look. We gonna try. We gonna try them out. I'm gonna tell y'all how good they taste. Then later on, I'll probably be doing a smoothie. Showing y'all how I make a smoothie. So yep. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Look at there. Get my good old piece in the oven. Then with my fries, I'm gonna make my fries. I'm gonna have my bacon bits, my ranch dressing, my cheese, and my bacon bits. And I got some jalapeno peppers. They're so good. I had got them one time at the store at Crystal's actually. I had never tasted them. I had wanted some regular chili cheese fries, but she was like, for some reason they didn't have chili cheese fries. I don't understand it. But she had something. They had something called junkyard fries, and it was fries basically loaded. It had jalapeno peppers, chili, cheese, ranch, bacon bits, all this stuff like that. Basically a fat girl meal. I like it. It was good. So ever since then, I've been hooked on it. So I'm making my own today. So I'm taking the corn dogs out now. They look like they're done to me. Might be a little bit past done, but I don't mind a little bit dark meat. Okay. I don't mind. Sometimes it's better a little burnt. Okay. Yep. Pizza looking pretty good in this oven. Oh yeah, buddy. It say rising crust. I'm not for sure. I've never had that kind, but it was on sale at this store for $1 and something cent. Now look at this pizza for $1 and something cent. Now you tell me it's not worth $1. So why not buy it? Even if it wasn't the best, even if it was thin crust, it still was good for $1 and something cent. Yep, so it's just a quick little something, but it's gonna be full in the end. Oh, that sun beaming. So yep, that's about it. That's all I'm doing. That is all I'm doing. I had to walk outside. Look, y'all. these frogs. I told you. Frogs be killing me. I hate coming outside. But frogs be everywhere. Frogs be out in the daytime. Now you know this bad. Ooh, this sun, I don't know which way to turn. I'm not finna stand by that frog. Ooh. But yeah. So that's about it. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm fixing. But right now it's already almost cooked meal. So I'm basically just heating the stuff up in the oven, really. But it's still cooking. So y'all subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment down below on what else y'all want me to talk about, what y'all want me to do, whatever. I'm down for whatever, it don't matter. Well, basically whatever almost. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye bye.